So the grant provided materials for all of our second grade classrooms in the school here to try some different STEM activities that we can use throughout the year and kind of fill in when we have kind of extra time in between units, science units. So we have 3 different units. In one of the units today, they were building a dam to protect a city. We have another unit where they rescue a teddy bear from a well, and there's another unit in which they have to build a bridge that can hold a certain amount of weight.
We can use all our teammates and their ideas, and it's challenging, and we can redo it.
It's challenging in that we work with a teammate, so then the other teammate has an idea, and then you have an idea, and you can put the idea together.
I applied for this grant because I was just looking to incorporate more STEM into my classroom, and it kind of provided a couple different just kind of almost they're like fill-in activities that we could kind of do over 2 or 3 days. Something different for the kids to kind of challenge them, work in a team, kind of work through those difficulties when maybe something doesn't go exactly as planned. So the STEM really teaches them to kind of be persistent and kind of keep trying when something's not working exactly right, and then they can kind of collaborate with their teammates to get different ideas and know that not everything works perfectly.
Thank you!